Well, hi everybody. I'm here at Columbia Crossing. It's in a place called Columbia, Pennsylvania, and it's a really nice facility that offers a lot to people who stop by. You can see it. It's a beautiful, nice building here, and it's been here for a few years. Let's go inside and talk to one of the curators. Okay, here's the hours. Hey there, Chuck. Hi, Megan. How you doing? I was just looking outside. This building is beautiful. So, what can you tell us about what you guys have here? I mean, looking from the outside, I can see there's a lot going on.
Absolutely. Welcome to Susquehanna National Heritage Area. Here at Columbia Crossing River Trail Center, we are the southern trailhead for the Northwest Lancaster County River Trail, which means the favorite thing of every visitor here is definitely our formal flushing facilities. These will be our bathrooms are rated, top rated, and if you read the reviews for Columbia Crossing, you'll quickly see
they're very nice.
Kind of a ringing joke around here.
Yeah, well, they are very nice. The facility looks pretty new as well. How long has this building been here, facility?
Yeah, this facility was built by Columbia Borough itself at around 2014 to 2016. Originally, they had it manned by volunteers. There's been a partnership with Susquehanna National Heritage Area since about 2018. So the building's been here for about a decade, but people are still discovering us every day.
Yeah, it looks brand new. It's beautiful.
It's a wonderful asset to the communities around here, especially the outdoor recreational community.
Right. So Megan, you were saying about the trailhead out here. So that's for hikers, bikers.
Yeah, so the Northwest River Trail is a multi-use trail, hiking, biking. There's no motorized vehicles allowed, but because it's an ADA accessible trail, it does allow for some electric and assist devices.
Right. Well, that makes sense. All right, well, Chuck and I are looking forward to having a bike ride up the trail today. We're thinking that it goes up to 3 Mile Island, or almost as far as that?
Close. If you come over to the map here, I'll show you.
Okay.
A lot of trails in our region, but we'll hone in on the Northwest River Trail here.
Okay.
We are down here at the start.
Okay, right here.
Yep,
Wow.
you've got 14 miles through Marietta, Columbia, Bainbridge, all the way up to Falmouth, Fisherman's Wharf access.
Okay.
But this is below the York Haven Dam here. You got Comango Falls here.
Okay.
3 Mile Island actually sits just above the dam, which is in Dauphin County.
Okay.
There is a walking trail along here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to make it to the actual stacks or not.
So we're still within the radiation fallout zone here, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right.
In fact,
Just kidding.
In fact, when that was active, they would do their drills around here. I'm from Columbia. We had the evacuation plan at my nan's house. You have 7 minutes. If the TMI would have blown back then, you had 7 minutes. That was it. You had 7 minutes to consider your final words.
All right. So what else can you show me here in your wonderful facility?
Absolutely. You'll see we have specific guides for different places in our region.
And you guys are open, what, 7 days a week? Is that right?
We're open 6 days a week.
6 days.
Always closed on Mondays.
Always closed on Mondays.
They're accessible via the outside entrances. This here is a permanent exhibit on the bridges that have spanned the river connecting Columbia, Wrightsville, and York and Lancaster counties through the centuries.
Wow, a lot of history there, back to 1814.
Yeah,
wow.
and then to present day Route 30 Bridge, the Wrights Ferry Bridge.
Nice.
And it looks like soon we'll have an update to Veterans Memorial Bridge.
Oh, okay.
The work coming.
All right, super.
You'll see we have some other art installations that are permanent.
Yeah, an indoor restroom access here. It's very nice. And now, so does the facility have like winter, summer hours? I noticed you're open at 10.
It does. Our hours
10 each
change
day?
seasonally from Memorial Day through Labor Day. You'll see we're coming up to our exhibit hall, our indoor exhibit space. Right now we have river crossings on display.
Okay, yeah, that's great information there.
We'll walk through here. We have a changing exhibit. It changes a few times a year.
Okay, different things.
About all the ways that we cross the river, from the natives crossing on dugout canoes to canals.
Well, a nice little diorama over there. Yeah.
If you want to walk over there,
Scale model.
wonderful.
So it's just striking me as, something that a family, with a couple kids could
Absolutely, we all know
could keep active.
Pennsylvania was the leading in the canals in the early 1800s or late 1800s. It's not every day that children and families get to see how a canal actually works up close, so this is sort of a favorite for the kids.
Excellent, yeah.
Plus it's fun because it looks like it could be a toy.
Oh, yeah. That's what drew me to it, I'll be honest.
Oh, absolutely. The dioramas are phenomenal. And then you come around here, you get the burning of the bridge story, which connects us to the nation's story of Confederate advance during the Civil War. And that moves us into present time, which just talks about Riverfest, which is a regional event that sort of commemorates that story. This is happening at the end of this month. It's always the last weekend in June because that's when they burn the covered bridge.
Okay, wow, awesome. Well, thank you so much for that quick recap of what's going on here. I see there's a nice veranda out here.
A beautiful deck that's open for visitors and the public to enjoy. There's rocking chairs, picnic tables. You can bird watch, relax after your hike, or just enjoy the park. There's a variety of recreation you could choose to participate in here or regionally because of all of the trails and parks.
Super.
This is our taxidermy snapping turtle. I dubbed him and named him Snappy Steve.
Snappy Steve, wow.
Yeah.
He looks friendly there, but if we see him in the wild, we don't want to.
Yeah, this is about as close as you'll ever get to one, because if you see one out in nature, you should probably steer clear.
Yeah, plus I've seen them before, like I have a little kayak, I go fishing. They're as soon as they spot you, they're swimming off anyway.
Yeah,
so.
Turtles are pretty smart, but they're native and they're actually beautiful. I think they look prehistoric. It's fun to see them up close.
All right, well thanks, Megan.
Absolutely, you guys enjoy your bike ride.
All right, we'll do.
A few moments later.
All right, well Chuck and I are all ready to go on our bike ride. We're going to try to go up to 3 Mile Island. We think it's about 12 or 14 miles upstream, so let's have it go.
Okay. All right, yep.
We got our bikes here ready to go. I have a CyRusher SF 900 and Chuck's got a Marlin 6 here. So let's go ahead and get going.
All right.
I'll follow you. You know.
Oh, so this is on 1. So what do you got to put it on here? I forget the gears. I don't think.
A lot of people out here today.
Yeah, now we got to watch it.
So what can you tell me a story about Columbia?
Oh gosh. They have tunnels underground.
They have tunnels underground.
And
isn't there a watch museum somewhere in town too?
yeah, the National Watch and Clock Museum.
It's right here in Columbia. Huh?
Yeah.
This is kind of nice.
Yeah, so the last time I was through here that wasn't paved, so there's a huge improvement. I actually would walk along the railroad tracks.
So this was a railroad line, is why
Yeah,
you dug it out?
yeah, there were tracks here.
Wow, look at this. Bring your belt up.
Oh.
There you go.
Hey. Yeah, see how that, yeah, that's
That's awesome.
that's
Why
a,
don't you do this, John? This is, oh my God.
you know, well, like I said, I think maybe twice I walked it.
You can bike ride it. Can you feel the seat on that going up and down? Can you bounce on it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it felt bouncy.
Now, do you want the seat to go up higher?
Well, doggies. Yeah, that's a nice grove. See, here's where they were repelling.
This stuff here?
Can you clear your lens? Yeah, that's good.
Okay, there. Yeah, that's good. Which, oh, I see they have one of them entombed. Stand here in the sun a little bit. Yeah, like back up a little. Yeah, you're facing the sun. Back a little more, you have shading. Okay, that's good, 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 good. Okay, good.
So the time is now 11:21.
Okay. I thought we'd be back done by
A little later, by sheer coincidence.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you had a corgi.
Well, Shirley did, yeah.
Just this one's a little quirky. The black one will lick your face if you allow it.
Oh, I thought they just didn't cut the grass for a while. You mean their legs are that short?
Yeah, they're stubbies.
Oh.
And Toby's very friendly.
Lexi, try to get them to go.
Toby's
I like that color combination. The black, the white, and the...
color, yeah. Hear that.
Oh yeah.
Look at Toby. Look at the man when he wants to get short.
Hey, thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
So how do they ride?
Oh, they love it.
They love it.
They'll let you know if they have to go to the bathroom or something. He'll
Nice.
get a little assy. He'll bark.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Huh? Are they riding their bikes up? Huh? No bicycle permitted past this point. On the sign. So that's all right. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
You want one?
Nah. Yeah.
Be across it. The Mayfly.
Montage.